Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. We are the students of Class 7A here to present our ideas on threats of elephants and solutions to protect them. There is so much being done to help stop elephants being wiped out in the wild. We have identified more than 10 campaigns and organizations around the world. Climate change, poaching, competition for food and water. Elephants have never faced such threats. Here are more than 10 ways to give them a helping hand.
These days, as population is increased, the elephant's habitat is destroyed, so they come to cities and villages where they are being killed terribly by people. Poachers kill about 20,000 elephants every single year for their tusks, which is illegal. In 1930, there was approximately 10 million elephants in the African subcontinent, but later, in 1940, after a decade, there were only 3 to 5 million elephants in the African subcontinent. But now, there are only 4,15,000 African elephants. We can find an enormous decrease compared to 1940.
With human populations continuing to grow across their range, habitat loss and degradation and conflict with communities will remain major threats to elephants' survival. Poaching for the commercial trade, ivory, increasing loss and fragmentation of natural habits, conflict with people over diminishing resources, and a multitude of human practices threaten the survival and well-being of wild elephants every day. The killing of elephants for their tusks spiraled out of control, accounting for as many as 30,000 to 40,000 elephant mortalities each year.
Escalating poaching or illegal killing for the commercial trade in ivory and meat, growing demands of exploding human population and poverty, increasing loss and fragmentation of natural habitat and lack of land use planning, rising conflict with humans over diminishing resources.
Elephants are increasingly being crowded out of their habitats. Humans are encroaching these land for farming and infrastructural development, which leaves elephant with a small patches of disconnected land. Today, the greatest threat to African elephants is wildlife crime, primarily poaching for the illegal ivory trade, while the greatest threat to Asian elephants is habitat loss, which result in human-elephant conflict.
Elephants are crucial to biodiversity. The Asian and African elephants are both at high risk due to the degradation of their habitats and increase in poaching. It is estimated that one elephant is killed every 15 minutes. Let's see how we can conserve these elephants and prevent them from getting killed.
Elephants are sometimes abused for profit. These magnificent creatures are taken from the wild, held captive, and mistreated to bring in tourism. Don't choose these kinds of tours. Pick ethical elephant tours that allow you to experience elephants in the wild and don't harm them.
Currently, international elephant conservation measures focus on controlling ivory stockpiles, anti-poaching patrols, and preventative methods to reduce human-elephant conflicts. To protect elephants, we should prevent illegal poaching, monitor elephant numbers, poaching rates and threats to elephant habitat at key sites in Africa and Asia. We should also protect elephant habitats.
Africa's human population is surging and pushing ever more into elephant rangelands, where farmers are established, where elephants are used to roaming. They become a target for crop trading by hungry elephants. A year's crop can be wiped out in a single night, creating understandable resentment. Both farmers and elephants can be wounded or killed in the conflict that ensues.
One way to improve quantity or quality of remaining habitat of elephants, including maintaining a buffer zone of secondary growth forest and creating water holes. The populations must be large enough offset in breeding and environmental dangers such as droughts and floods. Yet, herd size must be controlled to minimize encroachment on human habitats and to foster local support for elephant conservation. Another initiative is to establish centers to accommodate unwanted, abused, and confiscated elephants.
It is evident that a single country cannot successfully combat poaching and the loss of elephant habitat. The world needs